steam was steam from about the 1880s to approximately 1920. I believe the last Roman steam engines were built approximately 1923 to 24. The Oracle tractor came out in 1910. One of their advantages for a steam engine being unable to fresh or go in the field to plow would often take 2 to 3 hours to get steam up.
Oracle could be ready within minutes to provide power for a threshing rig or for plowing. That was one of its major. Equipment to prevent pre-ignition. That was the beauty of the Sequoia Higgins carburetor. That's what made Rumley king at that time in the teens and 20s. This is the very first modern oil production. This is the Model B, the 25 Crawford, 45 on the belt. This is owned by the Miller family. It's driven by Nick and Christy Miller. The Humble engine is a 6-cylinder, 4-throttle engine. This is the low-tension magneto with the igniters on the early ones. The B was the first production model that was soon followed by the Model E, which is the 3060. This one actually produced about 70 horsepower belt at the Nebraska tests. Rumley was noted to underrate their tractors so that the farmer would have more horsepower when needed than what the competition would have to offer. This one is driven by Shane Miller and Lindsay.